This drill is baseline 2-foot volley move kung saan ang gagawin natin mga ka-ballers, drive tayo pa baseline, no? Galing tayo sa corner, and then once nasa corner na tayo, then we have to bump or hop mga ka-ballers, no? So yan mga ka-ballers. This drill is baseline 1-foot finger roll kung saan nasa corner tayo and then we have to blow by and then we have to finish with our opposite hand using a finger roll layup. This drill is baseline 1-foot reverse layup. So right and left to. Kung wala tayong passer, we just need to roll the ball and then catch it. Then we do blow by and do reverse layup, no? Pag natapos naman tayo sa right, we go sa ating left side, no? So we have to do blow by and then we have to go for reverse layup. Our next drill will be 2-foot reverse layup, no? So naka-stationary lang tayo, nasa ilalim tayo ng rim. And then we have to do reverse layup, both foot yan na mga. This drill is corner 2-foot. Kapag wala tayong passer, we just need to roll the ball and then catch it and then blow by and then we're going to attack the painted area and then we do our opposite hand floater mga kabol. This drill is corner 2-foot fake, opposite hand, underhand layup. So mga kaballers, kapag wala tayong passer, we just have to roll the ball and then catch, then attack sa may painted area and then fake, and then go under, then go for a layup. Remember, no, you have to attack hard and then fake and then go under and then layup. This drill is 2 cones attack drill. So maganda to mga kaballers para ma-enhance natin attack drills natin, no, yung attacking natin. So pagkapunta natin diyan mga kaballers, we have to sprint and then we have to do cross jab dribble and then strong layup mga kaballers, no. So kailangan hard yan para ma-improve yung ating mga transition na pag layup mga kaballers.